Good evening. So as per our promise, we are going to provide you solutions. So we are starting with complex analysis one by one. Others faculties are there also. They have recorded. We are getting solution one by one. Please download our application, mobile application. You will get lots of solution there, and of course question papers, other question paper as well. Go to Google Play, type DIPS Academy, and download Android application. All possible videos are there. We are providing solutions in a manner so that you can find out how to try a question, which area concept belongs to. Complex analysis. This was complex analysis this year was the easiest segment. See, 31 marks questions and easiest, जैसे कहते हैं ना प्लेट में रख के दिया उन्होंने, तो ये क्वेश्चंस आपको जस्ट दिए गए, आइए लूटिए मार्क्स 31 मार्क्स. नाउ the questions are directly of concept based. If I find the distribution in part C, 4 questions, 1 straightforward singularity, second properties of entire function, basic properties of entire function, third zeros of polynomial, and 1 Schwarz lemma, part C. And part B, 1 complex integral, 1 power series, 1 properties of pole and Laurent series, fundamental properties of pole and Laurent expansion, and 1, as usual, every year they ask Liebowitz theorem, straightforward Liebowitz theorem. You can find all these questions in our class notes, straightforward they are question from class notes. See, we don't say that class notes are the best thing, but they have asked the question in a manner that anyone is teaching. These question, the type of question has to be discussed in the class. They are straightforward, concept, topic, chapter based. The line you have read out, suppose this is the question and this is the concept, they are one nicely mapped. If you know Liebowitz theorem, the answer is straightforward. If you know Schwarz lemma, answer is straightforward. So let's start. I am starting the question from part C. Backward solve करने की कोशिश करते हैं, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा मार्क्स वाली मामला है. So I am going to solve your question for you. It is question number 86 of my booklet series, which is B. And if you have other booklet A, it is 82, and if booklet C, it is 80th question. The question is straightforward based over Schwarz lemma. Given a function g from D to D, where D is unit disk, and as well as g0 is 0, or is not mentioned. So, but this implies straightforward result of Schwarz lemma. This implies 1, then gz, this mod is less than equal to mod z power n, where n is order of 0 at 0, and 2, g dash 0 is less than n factorial. So these are direct application of Schwarz lemma. Now what they have said, they have defined a function hz as well, which is gz over z when z belongs to D and that is not 0, and f g dash 0 when z equal to 0. Now see, these are the properties. सबसे पहले ऑप्शन 1 पे आते हैं. They are saying H is holomorphic. See the definition of H. G is analytic, Z polynomial analytic, the ratio is analytic except Z equal to 0. So H is analytic in D minus 0. But at 0, if we check limit Z tends to 0, Hz exists and it is equal to limit Z tend to 0, gz upon z, which is g dash 0. See, you can find out, right, this minus g0 minus 0, it is same as this is. So, and this is value of h0. So by Riemann's theorem, f is analytic in D minus 0, h is analytic in D minus 0, and h at 0 limit exists and equal to value of function. So h is also holomorphic in or analytic in D. So 1 is correct. Now for second, as see this, mod hz equal to mod fz upon, rather I'm sorry, gz upon z by this. If even if I take n equal to 1, g dash 0 is less than equal to 1, gz, this is less than equal to mod z to the power n minus 1. By first I can say this, and this implies less than equal to 1 as mod z is less than 1. So hz belongs to D for all z belongs to D, hence hd is contained in D closure. Third, even if I take n, when I take n equal to 1, this condition is satisfied, but g dash 0 is not greater than 1, g dash 0 has to be less than 1. So option 3 is incorrect. And again, if I put here g of 1 by 2, it is less than, this mod is less than equal to 1 upon 2 mod to power 1 by n, and this is always less than equal to 1 by 2. N is 1, then equal to, otherwise it is less than. So fourth is also correct. So the correct options answers are 1, 2 and 4 are correct, whereas third is incorrect. Thank you.